are some more houses. They're right up on the top of the hills, a bit like Tasmania, without the variety. Oh boy, that's the hallmark of Greece, I think. All the buildings are made out of limestone.
No, the island.
Or the islands anyway. White, all white, just so they can, I don't know, reflect the heat even better. Like it's not hot enough already. But then I guess if it was dark, a dark colour would only absorb the heat. So we live in that. Right. It's probably the best colour for this climate. Oh, I hope not.
Shouldn't be.
No, not for €7.
It is.
Oh no, this is not the heart, is it?
Look, we could have walked it.
Could have walked it. Are you kidding? Yeah, that's as far as you get. Really?